Raj will tell you why Senegal Gore Island is very famous, and all the famous people come here. Who all have come here? So,
Yes, it's a famous island, but today it symbolizes forgiveness and reconciliation.
Okay.
But it's where in West Africa possible to see houses where they keep our ancestors before they go to America.
Okay.
And we received in the island many celebrities like Nelson Mandela, to Barack Obama,
Barack Obama also.
Bill Clinton, father and son.
Okay.
Mr. Gaddafi from Libya. All of them, Bill Clinton, all of them, they come in the island just to see where ancestors were shipped to America.
Slaves.
Slave house.
In Gore Island, basically they kept
They
slaves.
catch slaves by the coast.
Okay.
They bring them here 3 months time to see who are very resistant. Just them arrive in America. The others they're gonna die by the way, by the sea.
So they used to kill some of them.
They then used to kill them. They prepare all of them here
Okay.
3 months ago,
Okay.
and just to see who are very resistantly,
Okay. Who are very
Powerful.
very stronger.
strong. Yes.
The other one
They
they don't
were shipped
arrive
to
to America.
America.
Yes.
Okay.
From South to North America.
Yes.
North America, they ship their stronger one, Yoruba and Bambara, to work in plantation.
Okay.
Caribbeans, French one, young girls were shipped there. Should do transformation of product. Kids between 7 to 12 go to Brazil or Cuba. They was mobile, good to grape, cafe and cacao, and good to do the transport. And that is the reason why we get Neymar today, the soccer. They are African, they know that.
Yes.
But they don't know where exactly in West Africa they come from.
Correct.
Reason is when ancestors they go from here, second things they lost after identity and dignity, it was the identity. They lost the African name. They get a number, travel with that one, and in America they take the master name. That's why Afro-American get British name, French name for Caribbeans, Portuguese and Spanish name for South
Okay.
America.
Thank you. Thank you.
So guys, basically what Gore Island means is that a lot of people, African people, they were kept here as slaves, they were brought here as slaves, and they were people who were strong, who could, you know, be of use, were exported to America. Can you imagine? I'm going to show you this place.
Yes.
But all of them, they was all the slave house. But today, they are hotel with all the comfort, swimming pool, air conditioner and other. For
See,
someone who want to bed here.
These were jails for the slaves, and now they have converted this into hotels. People come here and stay. Can you see that?
Beautiful.
All houses in the island
Which
at
fruit
front
is that?
of the ocean. This is the fruit of the baobab tree.
Oh,
This is
fruit
buoy.
of the baobab tree, guys.
A boat.
See, guys, these are the kind of houses they have.
They built a bank. They exchanged it to a bank.
Today it's
Yeah,
local
that's a bank now. It was a slave house. Now it's a bank.
Gonna see better over there.
Okay.
Guys, this house is like a ship. Can you see that?
Of the ship.
It is just like a ship. Wow.
People they call it seigneur
Seigneur.
on that time live in houses who like a ship. It was black woman.
And even this one is like a ship. Even this one is like a ship.
It comes from signora,
Awesome.
but signora means madam.
How many houses you said are there in the island?
28 houses of slaves.
Oh my God.
All of them at front of the ocean. Each house like this one, 350 people inside, but just downstairs, the first floor.
Okay.
European masters live upstairs. We don't know how. We know condition for ancestors inside. Men who minimum get 60 kilograms, they will chain it by uncle 2 by 2.
Okay.
Cell size is 2 meter by 2 meter point 6.
Okay.
20 to 40 inside.
Okay.
On Saturday they go out for toilet. If not time they do inside. That's it the reason why question today is how Europeans, civilized one,
Correct.
they live quietly upstairs before the horrible things happen down here. We see
Guys, in one room, 40 people used to stay. And I'm going to show you exactly how they used to stay.
And we are going to one of the rooms. We'll show you from inside. Guys, this is where they were slaved. Guys, this one is for kids. Kids were made slaves here. This is for girls. All the young girls were kept here. And you see the wood up. You know, all the foreigners who were making them slaves used to pick young girls from here and take them up.
The reason why, for me, African who collaborate with Europeans, they want African just to buy skills. The intellect was other things. Like today, you go to French school, you don't learn our history, not in our local language. That's why we don't know who we are.
Guys, these are the things they used to tie them.
This one for two people.
Two people.
By uncle.
Okay,
two by
okay.
two.
इन दोनों के पैरों में डालते थे ना, एक पैर में
This
इधर,
one.
दूसरे वाले पैर में इधर.
One day go.
उसको पीछे Guys, we all are tired, but we still are walking. We are going to the cannon from where they used to fire, and
Mama,
it is a
tidely.
long route, huh? You have to walk a lot to go there.
Maybe the slaves will also get tired.
Guys, now we are in the top. Have a look, and that is the cannon I was talking about. Why they used to use this cannon?
He's here just to protect the Atlantic Ocean.
Oh, okay.
If you want to do business by this Atlantic, you have to pay maritime taxes to French government.
Oh.
If not, they're gonna shoot
That,
you. 14 kilometers he shoot.
14 kilometers this cannon can shoot,
360
guys. Look at this. Whoa.
They need 5 years to assemble him.
Oh my God.
65,000 kilograms. And it's just a part you see here. The second part is under here. All the mechanics. Ibrahim, Beganala. You see the Atlantic Ocean?
Yes,
Who
that's
control
the
Gore
Atlantic
Island, control the
Ocean.
Atlantic Ocean. Yes.
Oh my God.
Brazil.
Guys, we are going to a restaurant now, and this is the restaurant we are going to. We are very hungry, extremely hungry. You'll find some Goree Island photographs here. See? It's a nice restaurant near the beach. Say hi to the auntie. Merci beaucoup.
Chop order kar diya. What do you want? I don't know.
Yes. Guys, look at this. Whoa.
Hello, English. 1, 2, 3, come. Very nice.
Kids, they are swimming here. They have small boats parked, and that's the hostel. So guys, this was the story of Goree Island. If you liked our video, do like, share and subscribe to Fusion by Lucy.